Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a game on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to run out of space on your Nintendo Switch 2, and so you want to go ahead and delete a game. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but in order to do this, there's actually two ways. First, you can highlight the game that you want to go ahead and delete, and then click on the plus button right over here, and then click on Manage Software, and then click on Delete Software. So this is going to delete the game, but your saved data will remain, meaning that if you want to go ahead and re-download the game, you'll still leave off where you left off in terms of saving the game. Now the other way to do it is that you could actually go ahead and navigate to System Settings, then scroll down, click on Data Management, then click on Manage Software, and then find the app that you want to go ahead and delete. So from our previous example, we're going to click on Stardew Valley and then click on Delete Software. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete a game on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now, as I said before, removing a game from the system is just going to remove the game. Any saved data for the software will be kept, but you'll need to re-download the game if you want to go ahead and play it. So rest assured that this is going to free up space on your Nintendo Switch 2. But the saved data is going to remain as long as you don't delete that data. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.